Wait here now. Wait. Stay there. What are we? Wait here now. Walk around. Nobody that way. Nobody that way. Come on in. This way. This way. Come on. Hey. Come here. Quick. Come on in. Go on in. Sweet pal. Come on, baby. Come on in. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, babe. Go on in, off you go. Scan for people. No one up there. And no one down there. Just me and the dog. On the right. Come out, up you go, quick. as it was last week, but it ain't far off. Oh boy. But this week I'm in full waterproofs, so bring it on. Wind's picked up. I said the wind's picked up. Strangely enough, no sign of any bikes or walkers. Just one pair of idiots. Standing this close too. Not a good idea. Right. It's a bit of trail. Come on now. I rode for the first time on my bike on Thursday night in the dark on my own. Probably not the brightest thing to do, but I survived. You'll see why now. Slippy. Just up over there. Yeah, just don't want to go down there. Anyway, how long you? So just kept telling myself, don't turn left, don't turn left. So it was up along here that only found the track a few months ago, back in the summer, and it's where up there is where the motocross boys do their bit of hill climbing and come up on this track. And I was watching them one day. Good fun too. Luckily I had down on a lead. I saw one guy came up, so I got out of the way. I could hear somebody else coming up, so I went to the edge to have a look. And it turns out he was coming up a different track, straight at me. So me and Bella ended up halfway up the bank on our arses. He missed us and he apologised, but really speaking I should have apologised to him. But yeah, interesting area. Oh, sun's coming out. Okay, I can't see or hear any bikes, so I think we're safe. The sun's come out, so let's take my hood down. Hear things. So there we go. So this is where we were, just up here, and where is it? So I was up here somewhere, watching the guy come up here, which is bonkers. Probably doesn't show on the film, but that is absolutely nuts. I was watching somebody come up there, we were stood over here, and watching him come up there where Bell stood, and he was good. Then I heard another one coming up, so I went by here to have a closer look, and it turns out he was coming up this one. So me and Bell ended up there somewhere on our backsides. Can we, Bell? But always good. Come on in. Yeah, like I said, rode this for the first time on Thursday, on my own in the dark, in the wet. And I was just saying to myself, don't turn left and don't look down. Wah! Nuts. Yeah, I was going to finish, but actually this gives a pretty good representation of the terrain. Not sure if it's catching it, but if I do that. What do you reckon, Bell? What do you think? Bonkers. Okay, here's those climbs from the bottom. Again, probably doesn't really show it in pictures, but yeah, I never got that level when I was riding, that's for sure. Hey Bell, what are you doing? Go on, dog. Is the car? Can you see that? Maybe? Jess? Sorry, pal. Go on in. That's what you normally do. Go on in. That's what I call the kamikaze drop. Actually, I rode this on Thursday on my own as well. But that's not the first time. First time riding on my own, I suppose. Where are you, Belle? Come on, babe. Come on in. At least you're numpty. You get it? Okay, so look, no cars up there, no people up there, and nothing down there. And we're back. What do you say, Belle? Good stuff. There we are. End of another walk. What do you think? Enjoy that, Belle? Did you enjoy that? See? So, you know what they say? If you don't like the weather in Weimaraner, just give it a 5. See what happens. It's quite nice now, but still breezy, but at least it's not raining. I've got a soggy doggy, got as much of the mud off as I can. But that's it for now. Latest taters.